You will need a printed copy of the Seeing Science Structures cover page, colored tabs, and content pages, a 3-ring binder, any color will work, a hole punch, scissors, tape or glue, and writing utensil. Take the Seeing Science Structures cover page and write your name on it at the top. Then slip the page into the front of your 3-ring binder. Take the miniature version of the Seeing Science Structures posters and place them in the pocket on the inside of your notebook. You can also cut them out and glue them to the inside cover. Punch holes into the sides of the content pages. Cut the colored tabs page into individual columns. Each student should get 1 column of tabs. Carefully cut along the dotted lines and avoid cutting along the solid line. Take your tabs and fold them along the solid lines to create individual colored tabs. Find the content page and a number on the tab that match. Glue or tape both sides down to make a nice solid tab. Repeat until all tabs are made. Place the pages into your science notebook. Cut the spine slip to fit your notebook, then glue or tape it to the edge of your notebook. All done! Your science notebook is ready to be used throughout the school year. Remember that as you complete your concept builders and your think sheets, that you should be putting them into the science notebook under the right tab. When you go to add it, look at the bottom left corner of your concept builder or think sheet. It's going to have earth science, life science, physical science, or the ways of science in the footer. Find the matching tab and place it under that section. Now get out there and learn the magic of science.